extensions. So this is how it looks when you take the extensions out of the box braids. You can see the debris where the box braid started. So we do one row at a time, section off. So we are going to section it off. And this is a close-up of when you take the extensions out of how it looks. So that's each individual braid. We haven't sprayed any product on it, so I am going to show how I comb it out easily. Okay. Alright, so clip that off and I'll show you how to break it up. You can see all the debris from where the extensions were. So this is accumulated hair products, you know, shedded hair, and just dirt in the environment flying into the hair. So her box braids were in for about 7 weeks, 8 weeks, close to 2 months. So just break that up. Again, you have those two pieces, split it, and kind of just break it up. Okay, right now it's dry, so you want to keep it dry. You don't want to add any type of water or product to it because it will stick to the hair. So it's better to break it up while it's dry. Okay. Again, you have those two pieces, split it up, break it up. Okay, so now we're going to take our comb. This is a fine tooth detangle comb here. Okay, and you just take your comb. You're going to just gently start at the ends, comb it out. Once you get to the root where the debris is, you are going to just comb gently, and you'll see the debris starts to break up, and it goes along the downward shaft. So I'm going to break it up here, comb it out. Just make sure you hold the base of the hair while you're combing out. See, this is what it looks like. All the shedded hair, dead hair, debris particles that comes out. So this will make your wash a lot easier. So you have to break up all the hair first. All the dirt comes out. Voila. I'm going to do this to the entire head. And then kind of zoom in some. Hold on. Right on top. I'll break it up. Everything is broken out. So all you have to do is condition it and wash it. I would say condition it twice, wash it twice.
Oh, you are king. Oh, you are king.
And this is what it looks like.
Oh, you are king. Oh, you are king.
All the debris will easily comb out. Everything is broken up, so all you have to do is condition and wash until it's clean. But your hands should be able to slide right in there.
Oh, you are king. Oh, you are king.
This is all the extensions that came out.